Okay, here's Abby. And today, my son left some banana from his breakfast. So I'm going to feed her. I have a lot of fun feeding her, obviously. I'm going to feed her the leftover banana. So come over here, Abby. All right, sit. Good girl. I'm going to see if I can feed you the peeled banana. What do you think? Can we do this? All right. Be real gentle with me, okay? You gotta be gentle. A little bit at a time. Oh, you sucked that whole thing down. I hope you chew it up. Oh, chew it. Oh my gosh. I think you swallowed it all. Well, it was half, but still. Gross. You're probably going to do a big burp now, aren't you? Are you going to do a big burp? Was it yummy? Was it yummy? It's all gone. You're looking at it. You ate it all, girl. You ate it all. What, are you going to eat the peel now? Yeah? You want the peel? Gross. Gross. That's not very ladylike. Was it good? Tell me. Was it yummy? It was. All right. Well, that's it. I'm not going to let you eat the peel. That's all. Well, it wasn't as cool as I thought because I accidentally let it slip away and she kind of sucked it all in one big bite. And then she didn't look like she tried to chew it, but it didn't look like she chewed it very well, and it just went bleh, which is what she did with a mole, which is disgusting. We have to work on being dainty, don't we? Don't we? Shake. Good girl. Alrighty.